In the previous lecture of data structure, we discussed about the definition about the data structure, and we discussed about the types of data structure, that are the primitive and the non-primitive. And in these are divided: primitive data structure or the primitive types are the simple basic data types that include the integer, float, character, and the pointer, which we already discussed in the C programming classes or the PPS classes. So integer for the storing the for representing the integer values, float for the decimal value, character for the character values, and the pointer we already discussed that. So let's start with the non-primitive data structures. The first one is the array that is to be discussed in this lecture. So we start with the linear data structure. The first one is array. So first of all, we will discuss about the need of an array in data structure or in C programming. So the first of all, we already know that any variable is initialized or is declared as if there, for example, if we have a variable a of integer type and whose value is 5, then for one variable, if we represent that how this value is to be stored in the memory. So this is represented, this is the memory, here are the memory locations. So here the value is 5. If we can say that this is the integer type, so integer takes 4 bytes in the memory to store that value. The value is 5. So integer takes the 4 bytes. These are the bytes: 1 byte, 2, 3, 4. Each box indicates 1 byte. So for storing the value of a, there is only one variable that takes 4 bytes. So 4 bytes mean, if 1 byte is equals to 8 bits, so 4 into 8 is equal to 32 bits. It totally contain 32 bits. And for the storage of the value of a, that is 5, that is stored into the computer. So we also know that the computer storage is basically in the binary form. Computer understand the binary language. So any number or any character or any data is to be stored in the memory in the binary form. So 5 is converted into the binary form, that is represented with the 32 bits. 32 bits क्यों है? क्योंकि a is the variable of integer type and it takes 4 bytes. So 4 bytes equal to 32 bits. So 5 is represented as the 32 bits and these are stored into the memory. So these are represented as shown in this figure. So at a time there is a problem that if the value is changed, that is 7, अगर वैल्यू इसकी चेंज हो जाती है, then the binary value is also changed, and then at the same time one value is stored in the same memory location. For the storage of more than one value, for example, if we have a class of 20 students and one time we store the data of the 20 student, but on the other day, in the second day, we have the student, students are newly admission. So then the total admissions are, the total students are 22. So to represent that value, then again override, we can override that value in the memory. So for the storage of more than one value at the same time in the memory, in the same memory location, arrays are to be used. In simple way, we can say that at a time, at the same time अब हमने values can be changed, or at the same time we can save the collection of the same data types, or the collection of the more than data types, or the more number of elements are to be stored in the memory. So the need of array is arise. So what is an array? Array is a linear data structure which is the set of homogeneous data element that are stored in RAM. Homogeneous मतलब same data type. Homogeneous का मतलब same data type है. For example, if we have a of integer type, then value of a is changed to 7, again changed to 8, then we have total number of values are 10, 5, 8, 7, 20, 30. So all these values are of integer type. This is the condition of array. This is the set of homogeneous data element that are stored in the RAM. Therefore, it can hold only one type of data. Only one type of data at a time. For example, an array may contain all the floating numbers or all the characters or all the integer, but not all at the same time. ਜਾਂ तो वो फ्लोट टाइप के हो गए, ਜਾਂ इंटीजर टाइप के, ਜਾਂ करेक्टर टाइप के. For example, this is a declaration of an array int a 10. Previously we mentioned the value of a equals to 5. This is the single value. For the 10 values we represent this by using the array like int a square brackets. In between we mention the total number of elements that are 10. Int is the data type of an element. A is the array name or the element or the variable name. 10 represent the size of the element or the size of an array or the number of elements it can store. So arrays are classified in two types, one dimensional and multi-dimensional. Multi-dimensional is divided with two dimension and n dimension. So first of all we discuss about the one dimensional array. One dimensional array having one row and one column or one column is called the वन डिमेंशन एरे. इसमें क्या है कि ओनली या तो एक रो है या तो फिर कॉलम, डेट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज अ साइज. सो सिंटेक्स इज सेम एज वी डिस्कस अर्लियर. डाटा टाइप, एरे नेम एंड साइज. डाटा टाइप इज द टाइप ऑफ द वेरिएबल इट कैन स्टोर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंट टाइप है करेक्टर और फ्लोट. एरे नेम इज द नेम टू आइडेंटिफाई द एरे. Size represent the maximum number of element it can hold. So how to initialize a one dimensional array? This can be initialized as the other variable. For example, पहले हम क्या करते थे, int a equals to 10. So to represent the more than one value, arrays are to be used. Here the example is int array. The size is 6, therefore it can hold the 6 number of elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 8. There are 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 elements at the same time memory में storage के लिए हम array use करते हैं. Another example is 5, 3, 5 int array. Size is 5 given है, but यहाँ पर represent कितनी values की है 3, 5, which means that first element is 3, second element is 5 and all the other 3 remaining are 0. अगर आगे वाले मेंशन नहीं किए हैं then remaining are the 0. int array square bracket, यहाँ पर अगर कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है but number of elements are mentioned, then we can say that the total number of elements are 4, then the array size is 4. We cannot initialize the array by using a variable. वेरिएबल के साथ हम उसे इनिशियलाइज नहीं कर सकते. इनिशियलाइजेशन जो होगी वो ये 3 तरह की हो सकती है. बट फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम सिंपल वेरिएबल एज अ वेरिएबल x इक्वल्स टू 5 लिख देते हैं एंड देन इंट एरे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में x लिख देते हैं, डेट इज़ इलीगल और इट में कंटेन और इट में डिस्प्ले ए एरर. So how to represent an